It's day 5?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Typhoon Lagoon. I nearly said Disney Springs.
Well, we are. To get to Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah.
Dressed for the occasion. Flip-flops, little shawl, little hat, prescription sunglasses.
Yeah.
Very fetching.
It's been the longest wait for a bus.
Here it comes, yay! So it has taken a while. Disney Springs. This is only half of the journey, well.
I know.
It's like one of the trip done. Typhoon Lagoon. Super quick bus journey. It's like 5 minutes from Disney Springs. Loving that water vibe. That's good. Excited?
Yeah.
It should be a good day, really. Good to know. Ooh.
I'm very impressed.
First in queue?
Yeah.
We're into Typhoon Lagoon. Yeah, I know.
I thought 1:45 we might let us in, but 22.
This will be fun. Excited?
Yeah.
You're on camera, Will.
Podcast is getting really cold.
Oh, wavy. I'm scared to dunk this. I can't I? Go on then. Dunk, dunk.
I can't.
Oh. Oh, we'll swim.
I can feel why I kept my foot on this floor. It's really hard.
Oh God. You gonna dunk yourself?
No, it's too cold. My hair is getting really cold every time I get it.
I know.
And I wouldn't want to do that in this cold.
It's a bit like.
Oh,
oh God. Misadventure Falls. This will be fun. Here it goes. Oh, what are we on? Misadventure Falls.
Yeah.
She's building a sandcastle right where I get it, the price crackers.
It's so cold.
It is very cold. Oh.
That's like splashing, is that right?
Yeah. You're still flashing?
Why am I backwards? It's so cold.
It's chilly. Ah! Ooh. Filming. That was fun. Didn't have a chance to get the GoPro in hand though.
Oh, no.
It is too cold, so we're gonna go back to Disney Springs.
Come back here another time.
Yeah, we'll make up some time when it's a bit warmer. Because today's the only cold day. After a flying visit to Typhoon Lagoon, which is too cold, it's time for some pizza. Excited, Will?
Yeah.
We'll find out if it's on the dining plan or not.
We can see.
You struggling?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah? Let's have a look
It
then.
doesn't indicate.
See the menu. Build your own or choose one of ours. Add any toppings, all one price. What?
No.
Build your own. Oh. On a smallest pie.
When we get there.
So you said
I didn't like it. Well, I think we haven't done it before.
Yeah, and they obviously know what they do. It's like Subway. I struggle in Subway.
Yeah.
I got all the meats and some veg.
In fact, we got to make exactly what we wanted.
Did they ask you for any sauce?
Salt.
I got some salt. I was going to ask for barbecue, but then I panicked and didn't. Oh well. So you had to pick from this. It was really hard.
It was really hard.
Yeah, excited though?
We needed to see this before coming in.
Yeah, well before. Waiting for our buzzer to go off.
Going here. Dan's just bringing his now. Oh, we got jalapeno. We got some veg. I didn't get any veg.
I got a couple. So you need to spread it out a little bit more.
Looks lovely.
it's good. Pizza's all been eaten.
It's lovely. I left a slice.
I ate the ham off your pizza. It was nice. Definitely come back. Not this trip. But we'll
I
come
enjoyed
back.
the white sauce.
Recommend white sauce pizza.
This is different.
Go
They
for a
have
walk.
barbecue as well.
I think I had barbecue sauce to put on the top.
Oh, okay.
Tomato base, barbecue top. Go for a walk around Disney Springs?
Spend some more money.
Yeah, let's go.
No for us, but it's on the...
Made it a D style. I'll get the Donald t-shirt to go with. That'll be
People will
goofy.
know that's got the bow on. That's got the bow on. It's too far.
Go to the marble shop for you, Will?
Yeah.
Yeah. In we go.
Based on the Star Wars one, I'm not holding my breath.
Yeah, I couldn't get anything at Star Wars. Will wouldn't let me. Like an ashery.
Yeah.
Posh chocolate shop. Let's have a look. See. Sing a song, Will. I love sprinkles. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Maybe we'll just get one to share.
So we've got black and white, coconut, dark chocolate, red velvet, and normal. What do you think? Red velvet?
Yeah.
The song's not playing. Or does it play once you've...
Second card.
Which way?
Wrong way. Yeah.
Play the song.
Oh, is this inside? Is it filming inside? It is. Oh, it's gonna be there.
God.
Oh, open that. Oh.
I love
Okay.
sprinkles. Yes, I do.
Let's have a look then. Oh, let's see if there's some cutlery inside. Oh. Oh, it looks lovely, doesn't it?
Just cut it out for the camera.
Lovely.
Oh.
You can have the...
Oh, thank you.
Oh. It's lovely. Let's film you trying your bit then.
I love sprinkles.
Okay, I'm going to take it to mine.
10 out of 10. The new and improved World of Disney. No, are we going back in World of Disney?
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah, that's the last
It
stop.
looks so good in there now. Let's do the other shops first. The Christmas shop. It's Christmas. Give us 3 guesses to where we are. There you go. Well done. It's because you're here.
Is this for me to guess?
No. Oops. They're awesome. Oh, windy.
They've got a wind in there now.
Oh, there's the orange bird. Seba.
Okay.
Just it's like lush, but nice actually. See if I get in a frame.
Yeah.
Nice engraved one. It's got a mark of the holiday. It's our engagement holiday. This one. Or maybe this one. Daisy's not on it. Oh, it's like a wedding one.
No.
Stitch. This way? I think this way.
Yeah.
This big one. Bit
Yeah,
massive.
I think most of the photos we have are that way. So
Yeah.
we'll have one.
So that one.